oobleck is a solid and a liquid form mixed together. The materials you need is water and corn flour. So first we're going to take the corn flour and put it in the plate. Just like that. Now we're going to put some water in it. Mix it well for 5 minutes. So guys, I have been mixing it for a while now. It has been more than 5 minutes. And we have oobleck. So see this? When I hold it, it becomes a liquid. And when I squeeze it real hard, it's becoming a solid. See? Now it's a liquid. This is really fun to play with. And also it's really sticky. Well, let me put my hand in there. Let me try to pull it out. Oh my god. It's really hard to pull my hand out. Let me try that again. Oh. And also, when we put our hands in it like this, it's easy to do it. But when we do it with power, it does not let us go inside. And when we do it softly, it lets us go inside. Whoa, this is really fun to play with. Guys, I said it was a liquid and solid form. So when I put my hand on it really softly, it lets me go into the oobleck. And when I punch it really hard, it blocks it. I'm going to play with the oobleck. Wow. Oh my god. It's kind of like quicksand. Oh. Bye guys, see you next time. And also, you can make this at home and by yourself or with the help of your parents. It's easy. It's also used by scientists because they don't know how it can be solid form and liquid form. Bye, see you next time.